Welcome friends. Today we're gonna talk about Arduino. Just by listening to this term, there are various things that comes into our mind, such as projects, IoT, automation, robots. But let us see what is Arduino. So basically, Arduino is an open source hardware software company. They design microcontrollers for kids. Yes, Arduino is not a microcontroller. Actually, it consists of microcontroller and also a complete module in which is designed for kids or for students to learn, to explore, to create new circuits. So, what is actually an Arduino? But before that, we're going to talk about what is a microcontroller. So, a microcontroller. Actually, a microcontroller, we can say that it's the smallest computer on a single metal dioxide chip. Keeping it simple, we can say that it's the smallest computer on a single chip, and it is a low-cost design platform for performing specific tasks. Yes, a microcontroller is only designed for doing specific amount of tasks. It can't do multiple tasks at single time. It's a controller, it's not a processor. Now, why we are using Arduino? As we know that, as I told earlier, that Arduino is not a controller, then also why we are using Arduino? Why not other controllers? So the most basic thing to use Arduino is its cost. It's the cheapest controller available in the market. Also, it's the most fundamental and most complete module containing the microcontroller chips. As you can see, there are many different pins, VCC, ground, analog pins, that transmission and receiving pins, everything containing in that single chip. We don't have to do lot of tasks while using Arduino, because many of the circuiting part is done in the Arduino itself. We have to just connect the things and make a circuit. Now, what is that? So, some of the basic circuits with Arduino. As you can see here in the picture, we have a circuit containing a LED and a potentiometer. This whole circuit is basically doing that a potentiometer is controlling the LED. As the potentiometer will change the value of potentiometer, the intensity of light in the LED will decrease or increase according to what we do with the potentiometer. This is the basic circuit which we are using with the Arduino, and it's not that hard and it's not that difficult circuit. So for practice, we start with these small things. Another kind of example we can show is that here we are using a buzzer and some 3 to 4 kinds of different light controlling all together from a controller. So we cannot combine those two circuits together, because then it will be a multitasking circuit. We can do a specific task at a specific amount of time. So in this circuit, it's little bit complex, but we are using a buzzer with LEDs, and as the LEDs will glow, the buzzer will start buzzing. Now, going ahead, what is there in an Arduino? What is there in an Arduino which makes it so special? Because as soon as we talk about projects, first thing came into our mind is Arduino. We're gonna make the project on Arduino. Never ever we think about other controllers or other devices available in the market. Why? Because Atmega IC, which in itself is a controller. Yes, an Atmega IC is a controller, is present in Arduino, and it is the most basic and most fundamental IC in which we can do lot of our tasks easily. And plus in Arduino, it's a complete module. So the internal circuiting part is already done, and we have to just connect the outer circuits, and we can run our any project, any module, anything which we want to create in the Arduino. Now, going ahead, what you can create with Arduino? Well, as you know that creation and imagination has no boundaries. But still, to give you some insights, I can say that there are many projects on IoT, on robotics, on automation, and in other fields which we can create with Arduino. Let's see a simple project with Arduino. Here on a simulation software, we have an Arduino and a LCD screen connected with some other registers and wires. Now, as soon as I start the simulation, I can see that there is a text coming on the LCD screen. This is the basic thing which we are used to see in glowing boards or in the electronic boards which we see daily, LCD, LED, other different kinds of touch screens. The technology may differ, but the core part, but the circuiting part is same. Here also we use that kind of coding. If you can see that there is the basic code which I have created, which is used to connect all this thing. So in Arduino we just code and start our process. Now as we have talked a lot about Arduino, what is it, why we are using it, what we can create with it, you may be having a thought that yes, I want to learn it. And if you want to learn Arduino or other controllers or other processors also, let's just like Raspberry Pi and its other variants, or other things in robotics, automation, because these are the fields which are growing nowadays. These are the fields which are at a boom nowadays in the market. We need though engineers in the field of robotics, automation, AI, because we are making a world a better place to live. So if you want to learn, if you want to explore more, and if you think that I want to do something in this field, please contact PMS Robotics. I myself have gained all the knowledge about Arduino and other basic robotics from him. We as an organization have 20 plus years of experience in the field of robotics and automation, and we as an organization, our main goal is to provide a fruitful and appropriate knowledge in the field of robotics, automation, AI, ML, other technology. You name the technology and we know we are providing knowledge about that. There are many fresh batches starting right now in the field of robotics and automation and AI ML also. So if you want to learn and if you want to grow, please visit PMS Robotics.